Hey everybody up there in YouTube land. All right, so welcome back to another episode of Christy's Craft Corner. Today I'm showing you guys a Godzilla go-kart that I did. Started it a few months ago back during spring break, and I just kind of got back into the swing with school, or just kind of maybe got bored with it at the time. I honestly don't remember, but I just put it off to the side. Chris got tired of moving it back and forth between a couple of things, so he put it away. Apparently I never noticed, and found it again while I was doing all of these modelings right now, and so I went back to it, finished it up, had a lot of fun building it. So come along for the ride, see what I did, and let me know what you guys think. All right everybody, so now I have Godzilla's go-kart. It was a lot of fun putting together. I did him, honestly, I don't know what color green he is because I started him around spring break, so like back in like April-ish. Got busy, left him for a while, came back, no longer had that paint color. Thankfully he was pretty much perfect, so I just detailed some of his, they're supposed to be scales because he's like a dinosaur type monster that came from the sea, but for some reason it looks like he's got fur. Not even gonna try to go there and understand all that. Detailed up the tires, make it look like he's been working it a bit. I really, it's stupid, but I thought this little fish thing was really cute. The decals went on pretty good. They were a pain to get on the helmet, but I was able to get it. Not perfect, because it's supposed to be 2 stripes and then the white in the middle. I liked it a lot better with just the single red stripe. Made it all look like it was like leathered out to match his backpack and his parachute back here. Detailed up the parachute, detailed up this flame. I really like the flame job. I just wish the shape of the flame was better because all I can see is either a cute little duck face or a flower that's about to bloom. Let me know if you guys see anything. It's probably one of those like psychology ink splats on a paper. Came with a couple of decals. Didn't use them all. Definitely did use the Danger Godzilla and the I think it's like for radiation or something for on the engine. It's really adorable so that his tail doesn't get stuck when he's driving. It's got a cute little scooter thing and a little padding there on his tail so it doesn't get hurt from the leather strap. So detailed all that up. I did have some trouble getting the steering wheel and the I guess it'd be the steering column in there, because it was either I kept it long and it looked more like he was driving it with his stomach, or I cut it and finagled it in there so that it actually fit with his paws, claws, phalanges. One part that I did not add in there from the kit, if anyone is familiar with the kit, is there is supposed to be goggles in front of him, but when I put them on, you can see a slight color variation here, because right there was supposed to be the goggles. Well, if I put them on, they kind of just covered this area, and I'm like, that doesn't really do anything. He doesn't see with his forehead. So left that off, puttied in the little divot there, and of course, like I said, we no longer had this paint. Couldn't even tell you what paint color it was. I used some acrylics to try to color match. Got it pretty close. So instead of worrying about it being perfect, I kind of let it come down his snout and across his furrowed brow to give it more dimension there. It definitely looks really cool over his brow on the side of it. Can't really tell, but I did detail the inside of his mouth is pink. Same with the fish, and if you look closely at the back of the fish, it's actually all red back there, as if it was eaten, and it's still a little bloodied. Overall, awesome kit. Did this for Chris, because he is a Godzilla fanatic. He's gonna hate me for saying that. He is a big fan of Godzilla, so that does cause a little bit of mischief in the house, because given the monster universe, I am more of a King Kong girl. So, you know, Godzilla versus Kong, that's always a fun little rivalry in the house. Yeah, so here is my Godzilla go-kart. Let me know what y'all think. Showed this to my mother-in-law. She gave it a 10 out of 10, and she doesn't do modeling herself, but she is around it because, you know, Chris does it. He got it from his dad, so she's been around it for decades, knows what a good job and not so much of a good job is, and she thought I did awesome. Let me know if you guys agree, disagree, what you would have done differently. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. If you comment, we will comment you back. Remember, be nice. This is only like my 8th model or something that I've done ever. So I think it came out pretty cool. So yeah, so stay tuned for the next episode of Christy's Craft Corner. And wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope it's good. All right, catch y'all later.